Hi guys, welcome back to another one. I'm going to be making apple mint tea, fresh apple mint tea. I've got my pink lady apples. The reason why I've got pink lady is because it's very sweet, and I have some fresh mint leaf, and I'm gonna add a hint of ginger, okay, because you know I love my ginger. So guys, if you are new to my channel and you've never subscribed, do me a massive favor, make sure to click that subscribe button. Click it so we can keep growing on this channel and do great things together, okay? Click the subscribe button if you have never subscribed to this channel. Right, let's make our mint tea. It's perfect for drinking it first thing in the morning or throughout the day. You can drink it hot, cold. I always like brewing my own tea remedies and then drinking it cold throughout the day. If I want it hot, I can, but you know, I love it quite cold because then it means I can carry it anywhere and I don't have to worry about warming it up. But yes, let's get into it, making fresh tea. I absolutely love making fresh tea. You can buy this tea already pre-made in stores, but I just love, you know, taking the time to cut and dice my ingredient together and making my tea and keeping it in the fridge for a few days. Okay, so all I'm doing now, guys, I'm dicing and slicing the ingredients, so the apples and the ginger. So there is no perfect shape. If you wanted to have it a more zesty gingery fiery taste, you can grate the ginger and then I will infuse in the water for a bit. It will infuse in the water and give you that more fiery taste if that's what you're after. Like I said, there's no perfect size to doing this. You can add more apples, but this is the amount that I decided to do for this recipe. So yeah, so the pot has got the water, and all I'm doing is adding the apples in, and I'm gonna, you know, I'm gonna leave it in there for about 5 to 10 minutes until the apples are fully cooked and the ginger is infused. I've just added a bit more water just because I felt like I needed to, because the apple was overflowing. So guys, if you don't know, this drink is absolutely perfect for digestion. I did add some sugar. You don't have to. If you just wanted to do this and then add honey, you can do, but I just added sugar. So I know the quantity of the sugar amount, so it's absolutely perfect for me, but you know, each to his own. And I'm just breaking down the mint at the moment because I want to release the flavor and the oils of the mint, because there's a lot of benefits in that. Guys, just to let you know, this is perfect for flu, colds, and you know, if you're suffering from stress, you know, mint is very relaxing. And you know, apple mint combined is just perfect. It's not an overpowering tea flavor. It's very subtle, but yeah, very calming, very refreshing, and it energizes the brain. When I was doing my research, I was like, energize the brain? I need this. I need to feel energized. But yeah, so this is very good for, you know, if you want to energize your brain. So if you are into that, and it's good for digestion if I haven't mentioned it. But yeah, guys, if you are new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, let me tell you, make sure you click that subscribe button. Thumbs up. Let's keep growing on this channel. And all I'm doing now, I've turned everything off, and I'm just, you know, stirring the mint in, and then I'm just going to leave that to cool for about 2 to 3 minutes, nothing long. And then now it's all ready for me to pour into pour it away. So guys, that is the end basically. Cook this for about 10-15 minutes and then pour it away and drink it fresh. So if you have somebody coming around for whatever reason, impress them by making this fresh homemade mint apple tea. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna put it into my mason jar, and I have some. So yeah, this is the perfect refreshing tea to drink throughout the day. It's not overpowering, it's calm, it's relaxing, and you know, it's absolutely delicious. Yep guys, there you go. I didn't want anything to go to waste, so guys, make sure that you squeeze every bit of the apple juice into your tea. So yeah, that's what I was doing. I was just making sure that I'm not everything is getting squeezed out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.